What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some very light maintenance on the Miata. Much needed, I'm sure. It's got 80,000 miles, so I'm guessing everything's still kind of original, except for the oil, of course. But we're going to be doing oil change, spark plugs, wires, fuel filter, all that stuff. Pretty much like a homage to when the K was still in the 240, my first couple videos. So let me show you guys what I ended up going with. All right, so went with the NGK wires from Miata. I think these were like 40 bucks, maybe. Yeah. But anyways, just like my first few videos, pretty much going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing. First, we're just going to remove these right here. They just pop right out. Now, I've got a ratchet with an extension and a 5/8 spark plug tool. So all we do is go right inside there, feel around there, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Here we go. So, yeah, those don't look very hot. Definitely old. They're not white or anything, so that's good. So it looks like the motor is healthy on this department. A little bit of oil here. Might be because the valve cover leaks, but yeah, so that's what that looks like, and I'm going to be doing it for all 3 other cylinders.
I'm tired of the
Alright guys, so before you put the spark plug in, you want to double check the gap. I believe for this application, NA8, we're going to be looking for 0.44. That seems to be the generic, I guess, gap for all of them. So we're just going to double check. This is like a really cheap thing from O'Reilly's. I think it was like $2 or $3, really cheap. So get that, just double check your gap. Looks like it's right at 0.44. It's really hard to see, but you just look where the pinpoint is right there, and it's right at 0.44. You hand tighten these. You do not want to cross thread them. That'll be horrible. You're gonna have to like re-thread the thread, and sounds pretty bad. So basically, all I do is, these are magnetic, so put them on there and then slide them in there. Don't worry about the spacer thing because it's designed to stay on there. And then you just want to hand tighten it. Make sure you can hand spin it until it gets a little stiff right there. And then basically from there, you pretty much put the ratchet on there. We'll find it. There it is. And you want to do about, once it gets nice and tight, you want to do about a 1/4 turn more, and that should be all you need. Nice and tight there. Now it's tight, you want to do a 1/4 turn more. There we go.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Wires, didn't see any instructions, but I think it's pretty straightforward. I'm basically just gonna match the lengths to this, so I'm gonna put the longest one here, obviously, and then the second shortest, third shortest, and the shortest. So as you can tell, they can pretty much, you can just tell where they're supposed to be. Alright guys, so as you saw, I kind of matched out the lengths and just replaced each one at a time. So obviously the longest one's going to be the furthest away, second longest, second furthest, and so on and so forth. And force right here. Cool. So that is how it's gonna be. Looks like this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4.
All right, so these didn't have the satisfying little pop, I guess, so I think they're in there. I'll double check that, but let's double check, make sure she starts.
A little squeaky, but she turned on just fine. Looks like I did something right. Hope it was fairly simple to kind of follow with or follow through, but she already feels better, so I can't wait to do the oil change, and I think that's most of it. I did buy a timing belt kit and water pump kit. I'm gonna wait on that because it's a non-interference motor, so it's not that important, but yeah, I gotta do research on how to do that. Anyways, that was a quick little video, nice and simple. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it, and see you on the next one.